Hey guys, Couchy Rick. We're going to be opening some Destined Rivals packs today. We got the Splinter packs. I had to go to a couple different stores to get them, but we got them. So let's get right into it. Ooh, they got codes for like digital Pokemon cards too. In a pack. Ooh, this one's got Cynthia. This got Garchomp. Great Leads. Oh, it's been so long since I've done this. Is it even the same way anymore? I'm gonna need a Sizzles. Oh, there we go. I don't do this like most people. I'm gonna just go through them and we got Heat Rotom. We've got Marina's Impidimp. There's a lot of new Pokemon I don't know of. We've got Shroomish. I know that one. Classic. Loved giving him Bullet Seed in the games. Skarmory. Decent.
Can I show the camera?
Oh, I thought I didn't know
That's
you
a good
couldn't
angle.
see. Looks cool. I like him. I'm gonna sleeve him. What does this do? Once during your turn, if this Pokemon is on your bench, you may discard the bottom card of your deck. If you do, discard all cards from this Pokemon and put this Pokemon on top of your deck. Oh, weird. Team Rocket's Brotherbot. Botherbot? Yeah, they do that a lot. They're pretty annoying. Turn one of your opponent's face down prize cards face up and choose a random card from your opponent's hand. Your opponent reveals that card. You may have your opponent switch those cards. I don't know what that means, if I'm being perfectly honest.
Flamey.
Hearth Flame Mask. Ogron. This is too hard to do upside down. I'm gonna just read them and then show you guys. Hearth Flame Mask. Ogre Pond. Ooh, cool. Ooh, we got two shinies. We got Team Rocket's Golbat. We got Team Rocket's Porygon Z. Ooh, oh shit, we got three shinies. And we got Team Rocket's Zapdos. Let's go. Good first pack in the Dark Energy. Okay, I'm gonna sleeve these guys up. Because, yoink. And then we're gonna keep going. Boom, boom, and...
Didn't you say you wanted to sleeve, I think it was Impidimp?
Oh, I just said he looks cool. Skarmory. I want to sleeve Skarmory, because I like Skarmory.
I knew there was one you wanted to sleeve.
Yep. Okay. Let's keep going.
Let's have Energy be in its own pile.
Next pack. That was a good first pack. I don't think I've ever gotten 3 shiny cards in one pack, ever. Either that or Pokemon, like, Nintendo just stepped their game up, I guess. Oh, don't throw those away, just so you
I'm
know.
just setting them aside.
Okay. I wasn't sure. Come on. Tyranitar. That's what we want. We want Tyranitar. This is like my childhood, man. I used to have the Team Rocket deck with Team Rocket's Tyranitar. I don't know if it does the same thing as it used to, but I still want it nonetheless. Especially if there's a shiny version of it. Alright, let's go. What do we got? First thing, we've got Team Rocket's Porygon Z.
Show it to the camera.
Oh.
Tilt it like this for the light. There you go.
This is my first video like this, guys. Bear with me. Ooh, we're gonna need this. We got Team Rocket's Pupitar. We're gonna need him for
That's
the
interesting name.
for the Tyranitar. That's good to have. We got Misty's Staryu. Team Rocket's Nidorino. Powdon. I used to like him in the games. He was a pretty good. I think he was a ground type.
I think so.
Ooh, he does pretty good damage.
I think ground and water, technically.
I think he was just ground. He might have been ground rock.
I mean, I played one game that was Arceus. Well, I played one other, I don't remember the name. Shield,
Oh,
that was it.
we got the evolved form of Impidimp.
Morgrim?
Yep, I guess so.
How did he get worse? He only has one move now. I mean, I suppose that's not worse,
It
but...
hits harder. Team Rocket's Venture Bomb. Flip a coin. If heads, put 2 damage counters on one of your opponent's Pokemon. If tails, put 2 damage counters on your active Pokemon. That's awesome. I love that. Such a chaotic card.
It literally a bomb.
Man, this card is the bomb. Ooh, we got the evolved form of Shroomish. Ooh, and he has one of my favorite moves, Mega Drain. Yes, bro. Yes. We got the card I wanted. And it's a full art. It's beautiful. Check this out. We got Misty's Lapras.
Ooh. And it's shiny.
Yes, sir. We got
That's
another shiny
beautiful.
one. It's called Zera Aura. Thunder Raid. Discard all energy from this Pokemon, and this attack does 210 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. EX. Oh, we're back to EX? I thought they were on like GX or something like that. Level X. Here's the art for that guy, though. Pretty shiny. I like how the edge is holographic as well. And then we got a Metal Energy. I like how they put energy in the packs again. I don't know if that counts towards the 10 card count, but with as many shinies as I'm getting, I'm about it. It's pretty.
We should end up
swell.
with 100 cards total, so if we have more than that, we'll know.
Okay. Alright, next pack. Come on, have the Ho-Oh I'm looking for. So we got the Lapras. If we get another Lapras, I don't know if that Lapras is going to be worth a whole ton because it's only... Oh, it's a star, so it's rare. But they do still have the little tab you can pull it open. Oh. Ooh, I like that. Sounds nice. It's going to be a good one. Alright, we got Electrike. We got Talo. We got Ethan Slugma. We got Meditite. And we've got Team Rocket's Archer. You can use this card only if any of your Team Rocket's Pokemon were knocked out during your opponent's last turn. Each player shuffles their hand into their deck, then you draw 5 cards, and your opponent draws 3 cards. Wellspring Mask Ogre Pawn. Oh, I love Pokemon that have attacks that deal damage and heal as well. Those are like my favorite. She's not shiny, but we'll take it. We love healers. Oh, I got a legendary. I think. Shaman's a legendary, right?
I'm not sure.
Pseudo legendary, maybe?
That is probably more accurate.
Okay. Oh man. Got two of the same card in the same pack. At least he's kind of shiny.
Kind of.
Ethan's Adventure.
I don't know
Search
if
your
that's
deck
visible on
for up to
camera.
3 in any combination of Ethan's Pokemon and basic energy cards. Reveal them and put them into your hand, then shuffle your deck.
This one's that same slight shininess.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then I got a Cynthia's Roserade. Attacks used by your Cynthia's Pokemon do 30 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon before applying weakness and resistance. Dude, this chick? Oh, it says only Cynthia's Pokemon. Okay. I was gonna say, that would go in my Guzzlord deck really well. But, he's not a
This
Cynthia's
one's
Pokemon.
edges are shiny. Oh, in the picture, I think.
Let's take a little break and start sleeving.
I have been kind of sorting these. I've got all the basic Pokemon. Well, not just the basic ones, but the not shiny pretty cards. Energy, the trainer cards. And then the ones that you mention are pretty or cool. I'm setting a little aside. Stack is growing.
Where did I put those? Oh my god, they're so slippery.
Slippery sleeves.
Slippery sleeves. Alright, is that all of them?
I don't know if I
Kinda
wanted
like
to sleeve
Turtle.
these two.
And that trainer card, I feel like that's a really good card. It just says you get to draw like 6 cards. 3 of in any combination of Ethan's Pokemon and basic energy cards. So I don't know how to interpret that. It's either 3 cards or 6, but if it's 6, that's phenomenal. 3's still good, but next pack. Nintendo, please don't sue me. I am opening your cards after all.
And wearing their shirt.
Okay. So I think they already put the shiny cards at the back now. Yay! I love Kangaskhan! It's like one of my favorite Pokemon. And she looks so cute. They?
The Pokemon.
I'm not sure if it
I wish they said.
I think all Kangaskhan's are females. Because they have that pouch and a baby. It's kind of implied.
This is what I agree with what you were saying earlier about there should be Pokemon school for us.
Exactly. We got Team Rocket's Drowsy. Ooh, I like Cyndaquil. We got Ethan's Cyndaquil. Usually they just do... Well, I guess if they don't have evolved forms, they can't just do the evolved forms for the owned Pokemon. They must have changed that with this set. Team Rocket's Zubat. Ooh, we got another Wellspring Mask Ogre Pond. We got another Shaman. Another Ethan's Adventure. Not shiny this time. Ooh, this guy looks kind of cool. His name's... Oh, fuck yeah, dude! They finally gave Primate an evolution. His name's Annihilate. Look at this beautiful man's.
Oh, and a semi-shiny.
Oh, he's a... I think they call that reverse hollow when not the picture, but the rest of it is shiny.
Well, either way. Pretty card.
And we've got 2 more, I think. Team Rocket's Ariana. Draw cards until you have 5 cards in your hand. If all of your Pokemon in play are Team Rocket's Pokemon, draw cards until you have 8 cards in your hand instead. Wow, that's pretty good. That one's gonna get sleeved. Same with Annihilate. And the last one, this one's classic. I haven't seen this one in a while. Gorbis. This attack, Crescendo Wave. 1 water energy 30 times. This attack does 30 damage for each water energy attached to this Pokemon. Before doing damage, you may attach any number of basic water energy cards from your hand to this Pokemon. Wow. If you've got a lot of water energy, that's a good card. That could do a lot of damage. And a dark energy. Okay.
Okay, does does Gorbis get sleeved?
Yeah, all of the actual shiny ones. Oh, usually if it's a star or if it's just holographic, I'll sleeve it because they're worth more if they're shiny, I think. Because some collectors, they like to have all shiny things. I don't blame them. Shiny things are nice.
Do you want to sleeve the other Ogrepon?
Sure. I think she's a rare anyways. Uncommon. I like what she does though, so. Yeah, he's a rare too. Lose control. If this Pokemon has 2 or more damage counters on it, attacks used by this Pokemon do 120 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon before applying weakness and resistance. So that's like 240 more if they're a normal type.
That's a bit busted.
Well, he can only attack every other turn because Impact Blow. During your next turn, this Pokemon can't use Impact Blow and it's his only move. Unless somehow you can get him another move.
There might be an item or something.
He's probably one of those Pokemon that gets shafted with the move pool, but he's really good in every other regard. Next pack. So excited. This one's gonna have Giovanni's Mewtwo. Watch. Just watch. I got a feeling. Or Cynthia's Garchomp. We'll take that too. We've got another Heat Rotom. Are these the common ones or?
Yeah. Or at least the not shiny ones. Huh.
They're so slippery because they're new. Marini's Impidimp again. We got another Shroomish. We got another Skarmory. Oh, cool. We got Team Rocket's Giovanni. Switch your active Team Rocket's Pokemon with one of your bench Team Rocket's Pokemon. If you do, switch in one of your opponent's bench Pokemon to the active spot. The old switcheroo. The boss man himself. We've got Arcanine. I think he's an uncommon. I might save him. We got Abomasnow. Ooh. We got a reverse shiny of Cyndaquil from Ethan. And a reverse shiny of Electrike. And a full holo of Annihilate. Let's go! Look at that bad boy. Check it out from a couple different angles, babe. Oh yeah, that's
when we...
beautiful.
Oh.
halfway there. We got a couple more to go. Let's see
Whoa.
what we get after we sleeve these bad boys up.
Are you happy with the cards you've pulled so far?
So far, this is awesome. I have never pulled like this with Pokemon. They really must have changed like where they set the standard for like how much they give you, because it seems like they're giving me 2 reverse hollows per pack and a hollow, which would explain why people are taxing so hard for these packs.
Also, this Meditite you haven't sleeved, but it is a reverse hollow or whatever it is.
Oh yeah, I didn't remember. I just
There was
Meditite evolves into something that I don't particularly care for. It's I like fighting types with drain attacks, like Drain Punch or stuff like that. I don't think Meditite's final form has it, and sometimes it's a psychic type, so is what it is. Giovanni's getting saved just because he's on the pack. Thanks for letting me use your sleeves, by the way, babe.
I got a multi-pack, like I said.
Alright.
I haven't touched them in ages.
Oh, wrong side. We got Team Rocket's coughing. We got Smoliv. We got a Torchic. Ooh, we got something I wanted. Team Rocket's Meowth. I need that if I want to use Team Rocket's Persian when I pull it. We got another Ariana. Oh, cool. We got a Manic Trick, which is the evolved form of that Electrike we pulled earlier. We got another Misty Psyduck. A reverse shiny Pineco. Ooh, this one's kind of cool. It looks like an idol or something. MC's Hype. Draw 2 cards. If your opponent has 3 or few prize cards remaining, draw 2 more cards. And, oh, I think we got one of the legendaries from this set. Yeah, this is from Shield and Sword, I think. Zamazenta. Strong Bash. 2 steel, 1 colorless, 70 damage. During your opponent's next turn, if this Pokemon is damaged by an attack, even if this Pokemon is knocked out, put damage counters on the attacking Pokemon equal to the damage done to this Pokemon. And a basic fighting energy. Whew. I'm getting old, my back hurts. That pack was mid, but so far we're doing really well. So, I mean, someone probably wants this Zamazenta. So
Some of the names are difficult to say.
maybe if one of the fans reach out or leaves me a comment, maybe we could figure something out. Cause I like to help you, help me, help you. Give back to the community and whatnot. Next pack. Also, it's ridiculous how much of a struggle it is to find this stuff. Because, like, people are buying up everything, everywhere. It seems like. I went to Target. I checked Woodlands, but I didn't see anything there for cards. I don't know if they even have Pokemon cards there, but.
Give me the tray.
Hands you myself.
No.
Oh, this one's cute. It's a little washer. We got Wash Rotom. We got MC's Hype again. Another Porygon too. Another peep attack from Team Rocket. Another Ethan's Adventure. Another bonus note. Whoa. We got a runner. Oh, this one looks cool. Team Rocket's Wheezing. 1 dark, 1 colorless. Explode together now, 40 times. This attack does 40 damage for each Pokemon in play that has coughing or wheezing in its name. That's awesome. They all just explode together. We got Team Rocket's Spydops. Ability, charging up. Once during your turn, you may attach a basic energy from your discard pile to this Pokemon. Oh, you recycles. I like that. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like that.
Oh, and it's a hollow.
We got a Misty Storm.
Reverse hollow?
Oh, babe. We got 2 out of 3. Let's go.
And we still have 3 more packs. What'd we get?
Team Rocket's Articuno. Ability Repelling Veil. Prevent all effects of attacks used by your opponent's Pokemon done to your basic Team Rocket's Pokemon. What? That's awesome. 1 water, 2 colorless, Dark Frost, 60 plus. If this Pokemon has any Team Rocket's energy attached, this attack does 60 more energy. Wait, there's Team Rocket energy?
That's exciting.
Huh. That would be new. I wonder if that's one of the options for, like, the last card. Or did it say it was guaranteed to be a basic energy?
We also got...
I could see why they would give you more shinies if they made one of the cards in the pack a
energy?
yeah, an energy. Unless they always did that and I just never noticed. Maybe they did, but it seems like they organized these so that the shiny cards are at the back like people were doing. So that's a nice touch, I think.
Or you're opening them upside down.
You know, that is definitely a possibility. Absolute a possibility.
One we worry about? Nah.
Ethan's Pichu. Oh,
Pichu's
shoot.
cute.
I forgot to save these. Whoopsie.
Pichu's adorable.
Staryu. Got this guy. Yeah, half this stack.
There's a Tauros.
Half the stack is, I mean, you know, sleeves make it 3 times as thick, but like half of that is shinies. They must have gotten onto the idea that people like shining things a lot.
Especially the ADHDers.
Ooh. Got Clean Hit. Tauros. I like Tauros. He's pretty solid Pokemon. He's got good HP, good defense.
50 plus?
50 plus. If your opponent active Pokemon is an evolution Pokemon, this attack does 50 more damage. So for 2 energy, you could just slap some dude for 100 if he's not basic. Yeah, basic. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Morpeko.
Morpeko? Okay. Ooh, I got one I wanted.
At least that's what it looks like.
We got Team Rocket's Larvitar. Because, you know, we need that to get the Tyranitar, don't you know? We got Arven's Toedscruel. Toedscruel? Is that supposed to be like Tentacruel? They're just mixing and matching them now, however they like. Alright. I'm about it. I always thought Tentacruel's typing was kind of garbage, like water, poison. I mean, it's alright, but not great. We got Cynthia's Spiritomb. Raging Curse. This attack does 10 damage for each damage counter on all of your benched Cynthia's Pokemon. This attack's damage isn't affected by weakness. A lot of good basic Pokemon in this pack. We got Ethan's Pincer. We got Team Rocket's Blipbug in the reverse shiny. We got Obama Snow in the reverse shiny now. And another Zera Aura. So I'm gonna have to sleeve these up real quick. Bink. Boom.
I've been doing my best to get a clear shot of the ones you don't read.
Do you think I should read all of them?
No, it's not like
I just
that.
figured people ain't got all day to just sit here and watch me open Pokemon cards. Just try and make it a little quick.
That's why
if
I
they want to
figured-
read it, they could always pause the video.
Yeah, so I'm
Try
giving
and
them the
save them
opportunity
time,
to
you
do
know.
that. I figured.
Green, please. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I ripped
Oh no.
Tory to pop. Oh, dear. Arvin's Toadskool. That must go to that tentacle.
That does look like the thing. I can probably find it.
We've got
Here it
Team
is.
Rocket's Coughing.
Yeah.
Looks like he might have an interesting ability.
I mean, he has coughing or wheezing in his name.
That's true. We got another Smoliv.
Smoliv is cute.
I agree, but so is this next one, which is a classic. We got a Torchic. And we got a trainer, Judge. Each player shuffles their hand into their deck, draws 4 cards.
Good card reset if you don't like your cards.
Oh, I used to have this same fortress, I'm pretty sure. Or at least the art was very similar. It almost looks like they just touched it up, made it look even better. Looks like that bottom attack might do some damage. We got Floatzel. During your next turn, this Pokemon can't attack. Aqua Slash does a good amount of damage, especially if they have like a fire type.
And you impair them?
Marnie's Scrafty.
Scrafties are cute.
He looks like a little
He looks-
edgelord.
He
looks
does.
like he looks like all the kids that go to the skate park. By
Oh,
where I
and
live.
it's a reverse hollow, was it?
Yeah. And then I got Cynthia's Milotic. And oh baby, there it is. There it is. Oh shit. We got Ethan's Ho-Oh EX. Look at that little beauty.
Oh, that
Give
is
it a little side
so
pan.
shiny.
Oh, so shiny.
Oh, even the eye. Oh, that's beautiful.
It's not. It's
It's like Sans'
That's-
like little blue
That's
shade.
not the exact one I wanted, but you know what? I'll take it. One's better
It's
than
a shiny Ho-Oh, I mean.
none. One's better than none, right? And it's a healer too, because if you read its bottom attack, I'm pretty sure it
If
says
you can, through the shines.
Yeah. It lets you heal for like 40 HP.
50.
50 is it? Off of him or anyone? Or
50 damage from each of your Pokemon.
every Pokemon? Oh my god, that's even better than I thought it was. Fuck yeah. I wish I had a hard case to put you in. Ho-Oh. Steady.
You could probably double sleeve it. I don't know if these will fit.
Steady. One last look before we put her away. That's probably the best thing we're gonna get, boys, because there's no way that this guy's got
Last
what's on the
pack.
front one. But if you did have a Giovanni's Mewtwo in here, that was like full art or like reverse
Some of
hollow?
these.
Hmm?
It's one of those. I was showing them the pack.
Oh, gotcha.
That Mewtwo.
I thought that one had more cards. I got excited. I'm sorry.
No, you just
This is really fun.
didn't rip too hard.
Alright. We got a Yana. Too close.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got a different art, Misty's Lapras. That's nice. We got a Primate, so that we can evolve that dude that I can't remember his name. This looks like what you get when you go to the creepy guy's house for Halloween.
Oh no.
Like a candy apple.
Diplin.
Yup. We got another fortress. Ooh. Steven's Clay Doll. Good little blaster there. Team Rocket's Ariana again. Reverse Shiny. Arvin's Mischief. We got a Snover. And we've got a full art Ethan's Adventure. Look at that shiny little funker. Beautiful. And that's all she wrote.
Are you proud of your haul?
I could be more proud, but I'll take it to one full art and two of the 3 legendary birds and Ho-Oh. I don't know if Ho-Oh's like the king legendary bird or what, but good haul.
You got him.
Good haul. Let's sleeve these last 2 and then take one last look at everything we got. Here's
I don't
one of
think
the
they'll
birds. I was just gonna stack them on top.
No, then you can't see them all.
I guess that's fair.
Don't get these. If you could fit them in these 4, it'll be easier to see.
That's a repeat. So this is what $50 worth of rare Pokemon cards looks like. And there's the Zapdos. We got the Zapdos, the Articuno, the Ho-Oh, the Lapras I'm really happy about. That's super cool. So we did get 2 full arts, and then I don't know if the Ho-Oh counts as a full art, but
It's a full shiny.
yep, that it is. It's very shiny. Alright. But yeah.
And we have a little bit of a stack of each of these.
Alright, well, if you guys liked content like this, I could do some openings of the all the digital codes and see what we get. But if you liked some content like this, feel free to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I noticed a lot of people who've been checking out my channel haven't actually subscribed. I'm up to 49 subscribers now, one shy of 50, and if things keep going the way they're going, I'll be able to eventually do this as like sort of a job, you know. So keep up the Pokemon and the life and stuff, and you have a great rest of your day, internet.